loves, welcome back to my channel. So for those who are new here, my name is Lollie and I love doing beauty videos, lifestyle videos and vlogs, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to style this extension right here that I'm wearing, or any curly extension that you actually have. I'll show you how I install mine, like how I attach it to my head and how I style it. I'll be showing you guys 4 different hairstyles that you can do with this extension to switch up your look. And yeah, if you want to see that, stay tuned. So guys, the things you're gonna need is going to be, first of all, a hair extension. For this specific one, I have a video on how I came up with this. I have it linked on the screen, but any extension would work as long as it's nice and curly. The next thing you're going to need is water in a spray bottle, styling gel. The gel I'll be using is the Makena styling gel, and lastly you're going to need a hairbrush to slick your hair down with. So the first thing I'm going to do is, for the first look, I'm going to just open my hair and comb it towards the center of my head. So once it's nice and high and in a bun like that, so once you're done with that, you just take some styling gel in your hand, apply it to your slicked down hair. So the next thing is you pick your extension. I don't know if I showed you guys how I do the extension. So this is the extension as it is. It doesn't have anything to secure it with. So I have these combs that came with a certain kind of hair clip. I don't know how to describe it, but this is it. So I just pick this and pick a nice full side of the on the inside. This is the inside part, and just push it through, then have it come out on the other side. So this is how we'll secure it on the head, using the comb, just like that, with the bun underneath. And yeah, so on the other underside you're going to need bobby pins to secure it so it doesn't move throughout the day. You might just need 2 or 3. I'll just use 2 since those are all I could find. So just secure them, and that is basically it, guys. You just have it there like that, and you can sort of revive the extension using the hairspray. As you can see, it is so easy to do. And that is the first style, the simple slick ponytail. Yeah. So for the next thing, you're just going to take the same extension and attach it below the ponytail. And after attaching it, don't forget to secure it, or else it will move throughout the day or whatever it will be you'll be doing. So after doing that, you're just going to pick some of the hair, more like just a quarter or a half of it. Just make sure it covers the ponytail, but because the hair is very nice and fluffy, you could probably do that already, and just have it on top like this, and have it there like that. You could twist it a little just to make sure it doesn't become too puffy, like that. Then once it's there, you take some bobby pins. For this one, you're going to need many bobby pins for this style, and clip them down. So guys, this is the final result for that. It's a very easy one. I don't like it too much, but it's still cute. You have hair at the front, hair at the back, hair at the front, hair at the back. So yeah, this is the second one. I don't know what to call it, so hair at the front, pass, we'll call it that. Hair at the front, hair at the back. Great name. So still with the ponytail on, you just take the extension and attach it at the back again. Okay, probably shouldn't have detached it, but I wanted to show you guys it's still the same thing. And when it's nice and secured, you still take some again to the front. Make sure it's a bit dense, the amount of hair you take, but not too dense, like that. So once you have something like this, you go around the ponytail and around like that, around your hair, by the way. Not the ponytail, the bun, sorry guys, the bun, like that, and secure the hair. You might want to secure it twice, so because this might definitely move if the ponytail opens if the bun decides to open up. And that's the third hairstyle: half bun, half hair down. I don't know what to call it again, but it's looking really nice and pretty. Yeah, so yeah, this is the third hairstyle. I hope you like it. So guys, for this next one, you're going to have to totally open your hair again, which is annoying for me since I'm filming all this at once. So with this one, you're going to decide whether you either want a middle part, that's a middle part, or a side part, which is what I prefer. I like to part mine really far and comb it to the back. Decide whichever part it is, you're just going to have to comb your hair to the back and hold it at the very back, because this time we're doing a low ponytail. So guys, I've already slicked the hair down. So guys, that's it. It's nice and dry, so you just pick the extension and attach it just above the little cabin you've done at the back of your head. Remember to secure it so it doesn't go anywhere. So guys, that's it for this hair. It's just that, very easy, very nice and easy to do, and also very nice and cute. This would be really good for school, work, and such things. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked the video. I really struggled to think of these hairstyles because I didn't want to just do one thing or just two. I wanted to give you guys many options to do with this hair. I showed you guys how to make. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, sorry. Make sure you guys subscribe before you leave this space, and turn on the notification button so you can be notified whenever I upload. And yeah, that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.